Hi, my name is Bridget Cheetham. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restick your mat using Tombow Mono Multi-Liquid Glue. Your mat should have been cleaned of any kind of adhesive and dry. And the reason we're doing this is because the mat is still in good shape. It can cut fine. It's just it lost all of its stickiness. So we're going to restick it with the Mono Liquid Glue, and it'll be tack again, and you can use it just like you did when you first bought it. There's two different kinds of mono glue, Tombow mono glue. There's the green one, has the green cap, and then there's a blue one called Mono Aqua. The blue one is permanent. The green one goes on permanent, but if you let it dry, it becomes repositionable. So this is the one we're going to use. So I put the glue in a jar because when it comes out of the tip, it's kind of have like a thin stream, which does not make it very easy to paint to put on the mat. So I put it in a jar, about half glue, half water, and I actually cut the tube in half to try and scrape as much out as I could. And we're going to be applying it with a sponge brush. I also have a baby wipe and a paper towel in case I get the glue on these black guidelines. You don't want to get it on here because the rollers actually go in about a little bit of them, and if you get the glue on that stuff, then the rollers are going to get gunky, and then you're going to have to clean your rollers. So let's try and avoid that. So I'll go ahead and get started. So I think I better start at the bottom. This looks like it's going on pretty thin. That's a good thing. Not sure I'm keen about the bubbles, but we'll take care of that. This is going on clear, so I can't really immediately tell if I've hit any of the black guidelines, so I'll have to take an extra check on that. I like to go around the edge just to get that done. Yep, I got some on there. So I'm just going to immediately take this paper towel and just wipe it up the edge. If you do find out when you let this dry that you did get some glue on the black guidelines, you can use a cleaner like rubbing alcohol. Takes it off really fast. It doesn't leave a big mess. Alright, so let me go ahead and get the rest of the mat. What I do, keep all the strokes in the length of the mat first, and then I'll come back and do a crossover attachment. Yeah, I'm not sure about the bubbles, but they might flatten out as it dries, and they may not affect the stickiness or tackiness of the mat after all, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. Point is to get this done and get it done fast, because you have to wait 24 hours before you can use this mat. That's what I recommend. Alright, I'm just going to do this one coat and let it dry overnight and see how it feels tomorrow. If it's not tacky enough, I'll do a second coat, and I'll attach that to the end of this video and see what happens. Okay, wait 24 hours to let it dry. I would dry it flat, and then once it is dry, don't forget to put your repositionable top back on it to keep it covered and keep hair and stuff like that from getting on it and dust. Alright, thanks for watching my video and have a great day.